8 WH questions with examples. What? When? Where? Who? Why? Which? Whom? And how? Let's take them one by one, for each word in 5 questions and 5 answers. Number 1 is what? What is used to ask about things or actions? What is your name? What is your name?
My name is Emma.
What is your phone number?
It's 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10.
What are you doing this weekend?
I am planning to go hiking.
What kind of music do you like?
I enjoy the mix of Afrobeats.
What time does the store close?
It closes at 8 p.m. on weekend.
What did you have for breakfast?
I had rice and fish this morning.
Number 2 is when. When is used to inquire about time. When is your birthday?
My birthday is on April 15th.
When does the train leave?
The train leaves at 6 a.m.
When will you be back?
I will be back next Friday.
When did you move this city?
I moved in about 6 years ago.
When should we meet for lunch?
Next Sunday will be nice.
Number 3 is who. Who is used to ask about people. Who is your favorite author?
Dr. Zakir Naik is my favorite author.
Who will be attending the meeting?
Ahmad will be attending the meeting.
Who made this beautiful painting?
That's one of Ollie's creations.
Who can help me with my homework?
My mother can help you.
Who do you think will win the match?
The home team has a good chance of winning today.
Number 4 is where. Where is used to ask about place or location. Where is the nearest ATM?
The nearest one is outside here.
Where did you put my keys?
I left them on the kitchen counter.
Where can I buy tickets?
You can buy tickets online.
Where did you learn English?
I learned English from school.
Number 5 is why. Why is used to ask for reasons. Where are you learning English?
I am learning English to talk to people.
Why was the meeting postponed?
Because there is an urgent matter to attend to.
Why did you choose this career?
Because I am passionate about conservation.
Why is the sky blue?
The sky is blue of the way Earth's atmosphere scatters sunlight.
Why do we need to save water?
We need to save water to ensure there's enough for everyone and to protect the environment.
Number 6 is how. How is used to ask about manner, condition, or degree. How are you feeling today?
I am feeling great, thanks.
How do you make this recipe?
I marinate the chicken in lemon and onions, then cook it until it's tender.
How much does it cost?
The new book I want, it's about $40.
How often do you exercise?
At least 3 times a week.
How can I improve my English?
Practice as much as you can. Watch movies in English, and don't be afraid to make mistakes.
Number 7 is which. Which is used for referring to things or animals. Which book did you say was your favorite?
The one about the detective is my favorite.
Which road should we take to avoid traffic?
The coastal road is the best to avoid traffic.
Which of these movies is based on a true story?
The movie about the pioneering aviator is based on a true story.
Which song do you think will top the charts this week?
I believe the new pop single will top the charts.
Which dessert would you recommend from this menu?
The chocolate lava cake is highly recommended.
Number 8 is whom. Whom is used for referring to people and is the object form of who. Whom did you see at the party last night?
I saw several old classmates at the party.
Whom are you going to invite to the wedding?
We're going to invite all our close friends and family.
Whom should we contact for support?
You should contact the customer service department.
Whom do you think will win the award?
I think the lead actress will win the award for her good performance.
Whom did they hire to manage the project?
They hired a very experienced project manager.
Okay, thank you so much for watching this video, and don't forget to practice these examples, and also like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe in my YouTube channel for more videos about English language. Bye.